Good morning, kindergarten friends. Let's take a look at our math lesson. I think it's working for me now, so we'll see how much that'll let me do on our computer here this morning. We're on lesson 9.2. We're going to count, read, and write numbers 13, 14, and 15. So that is our objective today, to work on those three numbers, to be able to count, read, and write. Here we go. Let's take a look at our solve and share.
Carlos collected leaves to put in a scrapbook. Use counters to show the number of leaves he collected.
All right, so if we look here, you can see the leaves that he collected. I'm just going to grab my little pencil so I can put a mark on each one because I'm going to count them, okay? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so I had 14. Now I need to show 14 with counters. Okay, I'm going to get my red counters out. We know this is a 10 frame, that if we fill it, it has 10, but we can count anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10, but it's more than 10. It's 14. So what do we need to do? We need to add them on the bottom. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there's another way to show 14 with counters. Whoops. Well, I kind of wanted to put that over there, but that's okay. All right, so that's another way. All right, let's take a look at our video. Are you ready? Here we go.
What does this picture show? It shows some leaves. How can you tell how many leaves there are? You can count them. Let's count all the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Why do you see a 13? There are 13 leaves in all. Let's show 13 with counters and a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10 frame is full. Make a new row below it with the other counters. 11, 12, 13. How do the counters match the leaves? Both show 13. How are these ways to show 13 different? One way shows 13 leaves. The other shows 13 counters. What number can you see in the dots? It is the number 13. Why is this number shown? 13 is how many leaves there are. If you trace the dots, what number will you write? You will write the number 13. Where do you start to trace? Start at this dot at the top. Trace down. Now trace the number 3. Start at this dot near the top of the 3. Trace around. Read the number. It says 13.
Wonderful, boys and girls. All right, so we are going to take a look at our guided practice. And what we are going to do is we're going to count the leaves and then practice writing the number that tells how many. All right, so we'll just do these two together, and then I'm going to let you guys on your own here. But what I always do is I like to put a mark on it so I know I counted it. All right, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 13 leaves. So I'm going to trace this 13, starting at the top when I make my numbers and letters, okay? There's my 1, and then I'm making my 3. Stay on your lines, all right? You guys will have a pencil, so you'll be able to do a great job. All right, so you're going to do it twice. So there's 113, and then I'm going to do another one here. Okay, then we're going to count the green leaves here. Ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many leaves do we have? 14. How do we know? Because we counted them. So now we're going to make a 14. We're going to make 2. Okay, 1 and a 4. Okay, and then we'll do it again. 1 and a 4. Okay, there we go. All right, so let's take a look at the rest of the guided practice in independent. All right, what you're going to do is you're going to count the leaves and then write the number 3 times on this page. Then you're going to go to number 4, count the leaves, write that number 3 times. Count the leaves for number 5, write that number 3 times. Count the leaves for 6 and write that number 3 times. For your independent practice, I'm just going to take a peek here. Do the same thing with number 7, okay? You're going to do the same thing. And then for number 8 and 9, you are going to look at the number, say the number, and make that many circles, okay? So you have to take a look at this number and make that many circles. Take a look at this number, make that many circles. And in the very last one, for number 10, you're going to draw 14 leaves and then practice writing the number 14, all right? When you're finished with all that, I want you to submit it, or actually you have to take a picture. You can't submit this. So you take a picture and then you would submit it to Seesaw so I can see your work. Make sure you guys are taking your time when you count, because when you count too fast, then sometimes you miss one or it's just not correct. And then also take your time when you're making your numbers so they look really beautiful. All right, boys and girls, I think that is everything. Oops, my light just went off here. So please share this as soon as you finish. Have a great day.